great to have people who have been doing this a really long time, who are super helpful. Everyone I've met has been very willing to answer my questions because I'm starting off from zero. I've never hung lights even on my own house.
I'm Angela and I'm from Pennsylvania with KK Lawn and Landscape, and I would say the training today was pretty outstanding. I'm in the office, so I don't get to be on the outside and kind of know hands-on, so this is helping me in that aspect because I get to see what actually the guys are doing out in the field. So
the instructors are experienced, they're knowledgeable, they're organized, their PowerPoints are informative. We haven't stumped any of them with any of our questions, and we've asked some pretty weird questions.
Eric Marsalia with National Soft Wash. We've learned a lot about installation. We are complete newbies, so we've learned a ton about installation and different materials and tons of shortcuts. So I think we've considered day one a huge success.
I'm Hadley.
I'm Alex. We're with Privateer Power Washing. We're here at the Clippa training. It was pretty cool, very informative. Covers all the little details all day long. So a lot of stuff that you wouldn't think to ask on your own, they go over it, and we're excited for day two.
So my name's Daniel Campbell. I'm with Emerald City Window Cleaning from upstate New York. Clippa training so far, day one, has been amazing because it literally takes you from like point A to point B and starting Christmas light installation, whether you're starting a specific Christmas light company or you're adding on to an existing company like I am.